Well, I got what has to be one of the luckiest locks around here. You can see it works fine. It used to have a little catch in it. I tried to take out the 5th pin to make it easier a few months ago to pick. Well, it wouldn't pick at all. I just try and try and try. So the other day at work, took it back apart, and in the 5th driver pin position there was just a spring, and then there was a pin down in the plug that was the right height for when you put the key in to open the lock. But it turns out that was actually the driver pin, and I had left the driver pin in, pulled the key pin. I don't know if I got called away to some sort of work at work. Boy, I hate it when work interferes with my lock picking. There's right away that thing drops into it. It's got all spools, by the way, those little odd asymmetric ones, and just didn't get back to where I was. I don't know. Rotation. I might have messed up there. Gonna have to quit talking. Anyway, turns out the driver pin was the exact height of the key pin. So the lock worked, but anytime you tried to pick it, it was all messed up. Well, let's see if we can get some else here. Counter rotation. More counter rotation. Action here, but nice deep set. I don't know what I did to this thing now. Guess I shouldn't have talked about it because I think I know. Whoa, there we go. Number 1. I think I have more problems with the number 1 pin than any other. Unless it's a 6th pin. Then of course I've got problems with the back. Anyway, that's the story of the lucky lock. If that driver pin hadn't been just the right length, the key pin wasn't cut that length, I'd have had to tear that thing apart, either mangle the spring or turn it over. Well, yeah, if it had been shallow, then it would have been all over. Would have locked up and we'd have never had a lock. Had to drill it out for parts. Anyway, that's what I got for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep it legal, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.